Hi, this is the Nature Kid, and we've just found it's either a gray fox or a red fox. And it went and that and you see that stump over there? We have a dead tree, and that it went into that stump hole. And we have some cocktail rabbits over here, but they're not here yet. And there's a mommy, and she also has two babies. And the bad a bad thing about it is that foxes eat mice, rats, and rabbits. So we think that he probably won't eat one of these rabbits, but they do eat rabbits. So if there's a hungry fox and there's a rabbit there, and he can get close enough to it, then he'll probably want to eat it. I don't know which one's faster or if they're the same, but I know both are pretty fast. The rabbit is pretty fast, and the fox is pretty fast. Well, that's all for today. Bye.